Oh hi, I didn't see you there. My name is TreeTrunksLover4987 and today we're playing Will You Press the Button? Yep, you heard me right folks, we're playing this game again. So yeah, sorry that I didn't upload any videos recently. The reason is because I recently split my lip open and it hurts. But hey, you know what they say, that's the way the cookie crumbles, am I right? Ha 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 ha. Yeah, that's not very funny actually. But yeah, let's get started. You have the power to time travel, but you have to stay at the place you time traveled to for 6 months. Yeah, I would do that. It doesn't say I have to time travel. It says I can. I have the power, but I don't have to use that power. Yeah. That one wasn't too bad. That one wasn't too bad at all. That one was nice and easy. It was good. It was easy. I like it when it's easy. So yeah. You become intelligent, sorry. But through intelligence you reach new levels of existentialism and become depressed and clear goal fairly easy. Well, I'm already quite intelligent. I have good grades in school. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. I have good grades in school. That one was nice and easy. It was good. It was easy. I like it when it's easy. So yeah, that one was good. You raised 200. Oh, cray. Oh, come on now. I didn't even get to see what that was. You've got to be joking around. Oh, wait. You raised $200,000 for the protection of wild animals, but the way the money is spent is decided by PETA. Well, PETA's not too bad. Well, actually, PETA doesn't really do much to help animals. They just tell you to not to hurt animals. Like, it's really not that good. That one was bad because I didn't get to read it. So that's why I'm putting bad. You can delete anyone from history at a given time. But all the negative repercussions that result from it affect you and your loved ones. No, I would not do that. I don't know why I would ever want to delete anyone from history. Yeah. I wouldn't really want to delete anyone. Well, there is some horrible people. But hey, oh well. But hey, what if the horrible people killed people that became more horrible than them? You never know. You have incredible art skills. You are unable to share it on the internet for your entire life. I would totally do that. That is an amazing one. No one hates you. In fact, they rather admire you, but you hate yourself so much. No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that at all. I would not do that. That one was good. That one was a good one. It made me think about it. Made me think about that one for a little bit. That one was good. Daft Punk is playing at your house. The entire town is invited and there's free alcohol and drugs. No. Oh, rats are probably bad. No, I don't wanna do that. Besides, I live in Lancaster. Do you know how big that is? That's like, I don't even know. I can't even count. I don't even have any knowledge to how many people are in Lancaster. Of course, I could Google it, but I'm making a video right now. You gain the ability to freeze time, but you're violently thrown into whatever direction you moved in once you oh my goodness gracious. But what if I don't move at all? Nah, that would hurt. That one was good. It made me laugh. It made me laugh. It was funny. Rat's a Papa Bad. You get and accomplish everything you want, but your IQ drops to 70. What's the point of excuse me? What's the point of having IQ if you can do anything you want? Am I right? Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. Even if I had zero, even if it was 0 IQ, I could still do anything I wanted. So there would be no point in having IQ. Because swag. Just kidding. There is no swag in that. I'm sorry. That was a bad pun. You can have 5 free pets of your choice, but no. You hear that? Hey, let me get my cat real quick. Oh, you're the sleeping pony. You're so cute. I would never give you up for anything. Oh, Rat's a Papa Dad. You're so cute. I would never give you up for anything. You're so cute. I love you. You hear that? I said no to pressing this button. I said no. I said no to pressing this button. You see that? I said no to that. You know what? Because I love you, that's why. I could have 5 pets of my any choice, but I didn't want to lose you. You hear that? Does that make you feel special? Huh? Does it? Does it? Come on, does it? Does it make you feel special? Ah, Rat's a Papa Bad. I hate Papa Bads. The only time I've ever clicked on a Papa Bad was either on accident or when I saw that a snake swallowed an entire elephant. That was actually really cool. When the snake swallowed the elephant. Alright, you hear that, kitty? You hear that? Alright, that one was good. That one was good. That one was good. It made my cat happy. You get to download blah blah blah. Yeah, I would totally do that. I don't even know if Justin Bieber have made 10 songs. He probably has. I'm never gonna listen to them though, unless they're good. But they probably won't be, since they're by Justin Bieber, am I right? You can go to any fictional world you want to go to, back and forth, anytime, anywhere. But I will remember nothing from it. Well, that's just like losing a part of your life. Imagine how many times I would do that. But I wouldn't remember it. That's like sleeping. Would I want to sleep? That's like a dream. No. No way, Jose. Oh man, that makes me, oh man, that's like chicken nuggets, am I right? Just kidding, chicken nuggets are way better than that, am I right? Whoa! Alright, I'm gonna end the episode there, because No, I don't want a stupid desktop. Ah! Alright, I'm gonna end the episode. Have a good day and Happy New Year. Tell your mom I said hi. And goodbye.